Today is the 22nd of June 2022 and we have Kiltakallio, married. 6 staircase here, but this is not the last staircase to be filmed in this residential building. We still have the staircase C.
Yeah.
And we are here in Espoo, keskus, Espoo centrum, Espoo. In the Helsinki Helsingfors region, Finland. The capacity is 4 persons of 305 grams. It was constructed between 1992 and 93. This was built in 1993 with 4 floors, turning 30 years old in the next year. 2023 will be inspected again, but doesn't feel like 30 years.
Yeah.
This number is H67508. The capacity is 4 persons of 25 years. Let's take the rides. A little bit dark inside, but
Yeah.
it's still amazing. And in here, even the staircases A and B have elevators, even though they have just 3 floors there. So we'll have
Yes, paikkivaisi maintained by Kone.
it's very fresh. How's that beautiful green spot on the ground floor bottom?
Yeah.
That's it. Thank you very much for watching. Let's go to the staircase, which will be the last one to be filmed here. Let's turn the lights.
That's